Giving meaningful gifts is something that I've always prided myself on. The last thing I want is to give someone a gift that's just going to sit in a box or sit on a shelf and never get thought about. What's the point in spending money or time on that if the person's never going to use it? We've spent a lot of time on this channel building EDC kits for me, whether they were art kits, tool kits, sling loadouts, backpack loadouts, and all the ways in which myself, as my type of traveler and my type of EDC carrier and the activities I engage in, would use an EDC kit. But the whole point of carry is that it's extremely personal. It's why I hate when people write off entire backpack brands or lines of backpacks just because it doesn't fit their life. It's a personal thing. Everyone has their own carry style, their own needs, their own organizational preferences. So it's time to make an EDC kit for someone other than myself. Like I said, I've always been really good at giving gifts, and with Mother's Day right around the corner, I've decided to make an EDC kit designed specifically for my mom. My mom, a 71-year-old Hungarian woman, has much different needs than me, a 40-year-old bald guy who's obsessed with backpacks. So I tried to design a kit that would fit her lifestyle, solve friction points for her, and I'm going to include it in her Mother's Day gift. And I think it's a creative way to express yourself and how much you care about someone in your life to build an EDC kit for them. So let's take a look at my mom's official EDC kit. So like I said, my mom is a 71-year-old woman, and I wanted an EDC kit that would be light enough but full-featured and loaded to the brim enough to give her a lot of relief from any friction points in her life and what she likes to do, and that it would all fit inside of a purse. So first of all, let's talk about what this weighs to make sure I satisfy that criteria. So the total weight of this bag is 0.8 pounds. So it's under a pound, and I think that's perfect to fit inside of a purse and be useful enough for my mom without weighing her down with an overly large kit. As to the pouch I've chosen, I wanted something super high visibility, so I got this Tom Bin mystery pouch in the small size, and it's got these bright green, orange, and yellow accents. It's got a little clip on the top so you could clip it externally or internally on a bag, and it has a really big, easy to grab YKK zipper to open and close it, and it's made from a really durable material, and I think it looks really nice. So it would be easy to see in the dark, and it holds everything that you would need. So let's take a look at everything inside and how it fits into her life. And as to her life, she's retired, so she's living it up, dude. She goes on cruises, she goes out to dinner and to shows in the city with her friends. She was a nurse for like 40 years, so she deserves the break. And because she likes to travel, go on cruises, and go out with her friends, I tried to think of things that would fit into that lifestyle and would really help her out. So let's take a look at everything that's inside. First thing we've got in here is this nice pink collapsible cup. It's made of silicone, it has a steel rim on the top, and you have this nice little lanyard that makes it easy to grab and easy to hang from your hand. So if you're walking around and you need a drink, I also contain some other stuff in here that we can go over. But you just kind of pop this out, and it has that nice steel rim, and it's a nice little silicone collapsible cup that you can bring, get water from a drinking fountain, use it as a small bowl to eat stuff out of. Plenty of uses for a little collapsible cup. I mean, I use a collapsible cup myself. I often bring the Human Gear Go cup with me. So I think this would be a great thing for her to keep with her. And it also leaves a little bit of space to put extra stuff inside. The first thing is this little key wing. And this actually fits on the top of any kind of key, like right on the head. And it gives you two little thumb points where you can get extra leverage when you're opening a tough lock or locking a tough lock. And for someone that's 71 years old, it really helps to have a little bit of extra leverage when you're putting a key into a tough lock. So I think this would really help her out. Then you always need a flashlight. So I wanted to give her one of the simplest flashlights I have, which is the Olight iMini 2. If you take this little rubber piece off the back, you have a male USB-A that allows you to charge by just putting it into any USB-A slot. And I feel like they're pretty ubiquitous, so she'd be able to find one. And then when you want to deploy it, you just pull off the end and the light turns on and it's magnetic. And then when you want to turn it off, you just put it back in. You don't have to press any buttons, go through any functions. You just have an easy way to light your way, light the inside of your purse, find something you dropped on the ground. You have it right at hand. Then I wanted her to have a high visibility keychain. So this one is a Donald Duck one from Orbit Key. And this one's really nice because instead of tearing up your fingernails on one of those split rings, it has a quick adjustment. So you just pull it like this, snap it, and then you get the little gap inside and you can add and remove keys and you just throw them on that little loop. And then when you're ready, pull it back into place and it's locked. So this is a really great little key organizer if she needs a high visibility place to put her car keys or house keys or anything that's super important. I thought this was cute and she really likes Disney. Then she always needs a place to keep her medications. So I have this little OTR Carry stash pod. It's a really nice black metal container that can hold pills, hold matches, hold any kind of extra stuff. This would be a great place to put her medications or any kind of over-the-counter medications. And then she can just keep that away, put it on her keychain, attach it to that keychain. It's a really excellent thing to have for someone that carries a lot of prescription or over-the-counter medications. Then another thing I suggest that most people carry is an emergency whistle. This one's super high visibility. It's bright orange. It's got a bright orange adjustable lanyard necklace on it. And this is great if you're in a survival situation and you don't want to keep yelling for help because it drains your energy. You can just blow into this, make a lot of noise with very minimal effort. Also, if you're in any kind of danger, you could make this noise and it could make an attacker run away because they don't want to draw attention to themselves. So I think it's really important to carry an emergency whistle with you at all times, no matter who you are. But as far as my mom, this would be a great fit for her, just for a personal safety device. Then, because she's getting older and she's 71, and she may need to magnify some things if she forgot her reading glasses, I have this Fresnel lens. And this is just a great way to read a menu or something, or read any kind of small text or small print on your phone. You just have a little magnifying glass that fits into such a flat profile. And it's also great to start a fire in a survival situation, although I don't really know when my 71-year-old mom would be in a survival situation. But if she was, she has that option. Then you always need something to write with, and I love these little CountyCom pop-out pens because they're super small in profile. You could put them on a keychain or a necklace or a lanyard of any kind. It's very bright green, so it's highly visible. And then when you need a full-size pen, you just pop it out, pop it back into itself, and there you go. You have a full-size pen to write any kind of notes, take notes, draw pictures, whatever you want to do. Then I just have a full-size Tide pen. My mom's someone who often drops things on her shirt. Nothing against her, I do the same thing. But it's nice to have a little Tide pen, and this one has OxyClean in it. If you want to clean something off your shirt, get a grease stain off or anything like that, you have a really easy way to do that, and you don't have to be embarrassed walking around with food all over your shirt. So really suggest she carries this as well. Then I really wanted a simple multi-tool for her. She's not going to be using all kinds of crazy tools out on the road, so I just kept it to things that she would really be using. This is a little Next Tool multi-tool, and the great thing about this is instead of giant pliers, it's just a really nice pair of scissors. And this is something that she would use regularly as far as cutting threads, cutting tags off things, cutting open packages. She has a nice pair of scissors right in her pocket. And then this comes with some additional usefulness too. So you have a little file right here and a flathead screwdriver or pry tool if she needed that or she needed to file her nails down. You have a decent sized small little non-locking blade if she needed to cut cordage or cut tape or anything like that in open packages. She has a tiny, easy to use blade right there. Then on the other side, she's got a little two-dimensional Phillips head screwdriver if she needed to unscrew something. She also has a little bottle opener with a small flathead screwdriver. And then on the other side, she actually has this tiny pair of pliers. No, you're not going to be doing any serious work with this like anything that a big pair of pliers would be used for. But what this is good for is just giving you some extra leverage. So if she needed to pick something up or pinch something and she didn't have the manual dexterity to do it, you have an extra little bit of leverage here to grab things and move it around. And I just think it's a useful little tool to have, despite how small it is. So overall, this is a really lightweight, nice, easy to use multi-tool that doesn't have anything that she would never use. It's all useful tools for someone of her age and her lifestyle, and it would be really easy for her to reach for this in a ton of different situations. Then I have a pair of titanium tweezers. It's just nice to have tweezers for the same reason that she has those little pair of pliers. You could use this for extra leverage for small tasks. If she had a splinter, she needed to pluck an eyelash. She has an easy pair of tweezers that's super lightweight and long enough to give her that extra leverage she needs in a ton of different situations. And then the last thing in there to go along with the collapsible cup is this little tube here from a company called Zoku. And inside there, she just has a nice collapsible metal straw. And this is an excellent thing to bring with you, especially if you don't want to use those crappy paper straws or anywhere that no longer uses plastic straws. You always have a nice little straw to use. And then the really nice thing about this straw is also you have this little pull tab up here, and housed in the straw in the little container is a little cleaning tool. So you can easily collapse the straw and clean it out. You don't have to worry about it getting dirty or moldy on the inside. And if she ever needs to use a reusable straw and not contribute to plastic waste, she has a way to do that. Fits into a small little tube. It tucks away super easily. And I think it's really useful to have a collapsible metal straw with you. So I actually think she would really dig this as well. So that's her kit overall. Lots of different stuff that would be useful in her everyday life. Nothing that's a waste of space, nothing that she would never use. And they all fit into her lifestyle. The only thing she'd have to consider is when she's going on a cruise or airline. Obviously, you can't bring a blade, so you just leave this one at home. But everything else is TSA safe, and you could easily bring this little kit with you in your purse anywhere you go. And then when you want to load it back up, easy enough to do that. Zips right up. And then she has a fully loaded out EDC kit, and it easily fits into even a smaller purse. If you just throw this in there, close it up. She's good to go attack her daily life with a few little helpers to reduce friction points. So how about you? If you were making an EDC kit for your mom, what would it include? What kind of things would help her in her life? Or if you're designing a kit for your kids or anyone else in your life, leave a comment below and let me know the types of things that you would put inside, because I love hearing about it and it gives me more ideas for future EDC kits. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.